Hey, it's Chris. Welcome to the channel. I know you. Welcome back. God, I missed you. I've been working my ass off, or I would have put out more content for you. I'm sorry, damn it. Anyways, hey, that's good to have you there. I won't go off on that tangent. But anyways, welcome to the channel. Today's broadcast is brought to you by Gucci Shoes. And if you call in sometime this morning, we'll get you a Gucci shoe tree. So you can put all your fancy Italian shoes on there, man. It's going to be the bomb. Your neighbors are going to love it. Man, I tell you, man, it's the little things in life. A Gucci shoe tree, a Las Vegas wedding, a Mexican divorce, or a baby's arm holding an apple. Just kidding. That's an old Tube song. I don't know if you guys know who the Tubes are. Some of you guys are probably young. But you can look them up. Anyways, let's get started here. Got some hot dogs and some inflatable reptiles we've blown up in the backyard next to the Comanche to kind of give it that theatrical effect. So we're going to go out there. You know, I've been trying to build this thing, this Comanche, for like a year or two or whatever. I got it running, then it stopped. Then it ran, then it stopped. Then the ejectors pooped out on me. Then the pump pooped out. So I finally I think I got it going. We're going to work on that. And when you get one of these old trucks, man, this is an 88. It's not that old, but you don't find the Comanche, the old Jeep pickup. That was the last pickup the Jeep made. Not the Gladiator, this is the Comanche. So I found, you know, it's little things like the hood ornament, the hood letters, all these little things. Like, they're $300 on eBay. I pulled them off one in the junkyard. I got lucky, man. Just, you know, stuff. I mean, you know, just stuff on the back. I'm into this kind of stuff. I'm kind of a, you know, kind of anal about, well, I'm not anal. I'm not that kind of host. So get that off your mind. Anyways. I just say whatever pops into my head, man. You know that. But let's work on this thing. Thanks for coming. Welcome to the channel. And seriously, give me a minute and we'll get back there. We'll uncover it. Get all the debris, the twigs, the branches, and the spiders off of it. And we'll get going, man. All right. Well, when I parked the damn thing, well, there she is. She's on the side of the house there by the shop. There she is, the old Comanche. Will she run? I don't know. We're going to find out. So hang in there. Let's see if we can get her fired up, man. She's been sitting there for about a year. Yep, there she is. 88 Comanche, covered up. The reason I covered up because these freaking trees piss sap all over my my newly done the primer and body work. Anyways, so let's see what she looks like. Not too bad. Looks like the last time I looked at it. Pretty good shape. I got a new grill, some new trim pieces. Like I said, this is the old Jeep pickup. This is an 88 Jeep Comanche. This is the Olympic edition, they called it, because it came out in the 88 Olympics. And all the athletes got in the back of it and got naked and oiled up, and they never mind. But anyways, so I don't know. That might have happened at some point, but in some segment. But anyways, let's see what we got here, man. Pretty excited about it. Hope it'll start. Open the hood. Am I a retard or something? Where is it? There it is. Let's pop the hood latch, see what we got. I did get door panels for it. I got all this stuff. I put new carpet in it and I cleaned up the bucket. So it's in pretty good shape for a 32-year-old truck. But anyways, I need two hands to do this. It's a man's job. Hold on a sec. All right. That's a real piece of American steel hood there. That ain't some plastic, let me tell you. Sorry. Anyways, So it's all together. Said did a lot of work to the engine. Got it going. This is a 4.0 liter. 4.0 is the best motor I think they made for the Jeeps. The straight 6. Got a lot of torque, and it's a dependable, bulletproof fucking engine. Trust me. They run these in a lot of things. They run these in the old TJs and the XJs, which are the variant of this. This is the Cherokee. This basically has a Cherokee front end on it, but it's a truck on the back. Isn't that ingenious? But I know, because you're looking at it, it looks like a Cherokee, doesn't it? An XJ. But essentially, it is part of it, anyways. So let's see if this thing will run. What do you think? I'm pretty excited about it. What do you think, Ding Dong? What do you think? Wussy. Well, I noticed the battery was dead, so before we fire her up, I put a little charge on the battery. So hopefully, it's a good Napa power battery. Hopefully it'll work out pretty good. It's been sitting for a while. We'll see if she holds a charge. Cross your fingers. I don't know. I'd like to get this thing on the road, you know. Okay, let's look over battery terminal on the negative side. So let's see what happens here, man. Well, fired right up. Kind of amazing. Anyway, well, should we take her for a drive? Am I gonna get stuck somewhere? So, when do we? That's gonna do it, man. Live life dangerously, you know what I mean? Doesn't have insurance, doesn't have any registration, doesn't have license plates. But that's okay. Actually, it does have plates, but they're expired like 5 years ago. So, hey, gonna tempt fate? Let's do it. Okay, we're in here. Let's see how she runs, and hopefully I won't have to get towed back. So let's just go for a little ride out here in the countryside a little bit. What do you think? All right, we'll buckled up. Let's check our gauges here. Let's see what we got. Little gas. Water temp looks okay. Oil pressure's okay. What are we running? I don't know, about 70. Somewhere in there. Anyways, oil pressure looks okay. Bolts are good. So far, so good. So let's see how she runs. I guess I should have cleaned the window a little bit, but oh well. Flying by the seat of her pants. Here we go. Ooh, easy there. A little burnouts on the gravel. All right. So far, so good. All right. Let's see if this overdrive works too. We did a lot of work on the transmission. Let's see what we got here. Okay, 88 Jeep Comanche. Hasn't been on the road for a while. See how we do here. All right, it's 35 miles an hour. 45. We'll get into overdrive here. All right, there's overdrive. Cool. So far, so good. Running pretty good. Not too bad. Said, man, I don't have insurance or any other stuff here, so what we're gonna do, I don't have turn signals either. Oh well, I think I got brake lights. I don't know. Let's just stop by here and turn around at the next ranch. But yeah, so far so good. So I'm gonna go down, we'll open it up a little bit more here. Let me turn around. Okay, so far so good. I'm gonna get on it a little bit more, see how we do. There's always somebody coming, man. California, freaking, you can't go anywhere without a million people, it seems like sometimes. So anyways, let's head back home. I'm running on fumes here. Hopefully we'll make it. One never knows. Anyway, so far so good. So it seems to be running okay. As long as I get home here. Ooh, got a little wobble in the front there, man. That ain't good. Let's just back this bitch off a bit. Yeah, it felt pretty. It wasn't like a death wobble, but it felt like something's definitely awry in the front end. So, yeah, geez. Anyways, all right. Well, so we made it here. No cops. You can get pulled over. That's about it, man. That's the dry run. That's gonna be it. I think. Fucking people. Hold on. Right. You know, I live out in the country quite a ways, and it's amazing how many people live out here. You try to get away from it, and they like follow you or something. Just kidding. It's kind of snotty, but anyways. So we're backing in. Let's just call it a day. So I didn't realize I was that low on gas, man. So my gravel driveway here, and thanks for coming along. I hope you enjoyed that. It was just a quick little blurb, but I've got it running. Doesn't sound too bad. Don't like the front end shake, so I'm going to get in there and look into the front end. Well, we made it. I don't know what that was, but I'm not driving it again until I figure that out. I got going up to 50 miles an hour, and the front wheels started going like this. So it's a two-wheel drive. It's got the I-beam suspension. It doesn't have a differential up there. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's a steering stabilizer. Like I said, it's old. It's 88. It was an old farm truck. I don't know who had it or what they did to it. So other than that, it ran. Little bugs to get out. Get a primer and paint it again. And that's the 88 Comanche. That's one. Probably got a bunch of other stuff I'm working on. It's just I hate to neglect this thing, because there's not many of these around. You don't see them. When's the last time you saw one of these? I mean, a lot of them are farm trucks, and they beat the shit out of them on the farm ranches, and the beds and everything are usually all beat up, or they're all foobarred in the front or rusted out, depending on what part of the country you're in. This one is a California truck. Doesn't have any rust on it, thank God. So I don't know, pretty happy with it, except for that one part. Well, hey guys, I think we're going to wrap it up. It's going to be it for today. Hey, thanks for coming along. Just a short little video, just one of the projects I'm working on. One of many. This old truck, I've wanted to get it going for a while. So just check back, and I got some other videos and things I'm kicking out there. And other than that, it's a nice day here. I made it back home. I have like a running on fumes, man. I didn't have any gas. That would have been sucked if I would have got pulled over with no insurance and no registration. Not recommended, guys. You don't do that. Don't do stupid shit like I do sometimes. Other than that, you guys take care. It's Chris from Outbound Terrain, and I will see you on the next video, man. Take it easy.